Hello technology enthusiasts! Today I am going to show you how to download and install VMware Workstation 11. VMware Workstation allows you to create and install an operating system inside your current operating system without losing any of your personal files. I am going to show you how to download and install it now. First, go to your internet browser and type VMware Workstation and click the first link. And now you want to click Try for free. It will then ask you if you want to download VMware Workstation for Windows or Linux. If you have a Windows computer, click Download Now, or if you have a Linux computer, click Download Now for Linux. You must have a 64-bit architecture computer. If you have a 32-bit architecture computer, you must download VMware Workstation 10. If you are ready, click Download Now. It will then ask you if you want to run or save the VMware Workstation setup. I recommend saving it. The file will begin downloading. I am going to pause the video and I will be back after the file finishes downloading. When the program has finished downloading, click Run to launch the installation wizard. You may be asked if you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer. Click Yes. The install will now open and it will ask you if you want to install VMware Workstation. Click Next. Then read the license agreement and click I accept the terms in the license agreement. It will then ask which setup type you prefer. If you are an advanced user, click Custom, otherwise click Typical. It will then ask you where you want to install VMware Workstation. If you are like myself and only have one hard drive, go ahead and click Next. But if you have another hard drive or want to install this on another drive, click Change. It will then ask if you want software updates. I recommend leaving this checked so that you always have the latest updates for the program and your virtual machine. It will then ask you if you want to help improve VMware Workstation. I recommend leaving this checked. It will then ask what shortcuts you want. I recommend leaving these checked unless you don't want them. It will then ask if you are ready to install VMware Workstation. Before you install, please make sure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements and make sure that you have enough hard drive space and that you have a 64-bit operating system. If you are sure of the following, go ahead and click Continue to install VMware Workstation 11. VMware Workstation will now begin installing. I am going to let the program install and we will be back after the program finishes installing. When VMware Workstation is finished installing, you will be prompted to enter a license key. If you have a license key, insert it now. Otherwise, click Skip. It will then thank you for installing VMware Workstation, and you will then click Finish. Then, launch VMware Workstation. It will then ask you if you did not provide a license key, if you have your license key, and to insert it, or if you want to try VMware Workstation for 11 for 30 days. I am going to click I want to try VMware Workstation 11 for 30 days. It will then ask you to enter a valid address to begin your 30-day trial. I will insert my email address and I will be back after I do that. After you enter your email address or insert your license key, VMware Workstation will launch and you can begin creating a virtual machine. I hope this tutorial helped you be able to download and install VMware Workstation. Thank you.